Hi everyone. Welcome. Today, we are observing the yellow-breasted greenfinch. The yellow-breasted greenfinch, Chloris spinoides, is a small passerine bird in the family Fringillidae that is native to the northern regions of the Indian subcontinent. The yellow-breasted greenfinch is 14 centimeters in length and weighs between 15 and 21 grams. Two subspecies are recognized: Himalayan yellow-breasted greenfinch, Indian yellow-breasted greenfinch. Distribution: mid-altitude of Himalayas. Ranges across from Afghanistan, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, etc. Habitat: temperate forests and temperate shrublands. Feeding on a plant cannabis. Cannabis is a genus of flowering plants in the family Cannabaceae. Thank you so much for watching.